Navigating the aftermath of a car accident can be stressful, and understanding the legal process involved in a lawsuit is crucial. While every case is unique, this explanation provides a foundational understanding of the steps involved in pursuing a successful car accident lawsuit. The process generally unfolds in the following way. Gathering evidence. This initial phase is paramount. Involves collecting all relevant information related to the accident. This includes police report. This official document often contains crucial details about the accident, including the investigating officer's findings, witness statements, and a preliminary determination of fault. Photographs and videos. Visual documentation of the accident scene, vehicle damage, and any visible injuries can be compelling evidence. Witness information. Names, addresses, and contact information of anyone who witnessed the accident are vital for obtaining their testimonies. Medical records. Documentation of your injuries, treatment, and related medical expenses is essential to demonstrate the harm you suffered. Lost wage documentation. If your injuries have resulted in lost income, gather pay stubs, tax returns, or a letter from your employer to prove your financial losses. Communication with insurance companies. Keep records of all conversations and correspondence with your insurance company and the other driver's insurer. Consulting with an attorney. Engaging a personal injury attorney experienced in car accident cases is a significant step. An attorney can evaluate the strength of your case, explain your legal rights and options, help you navigate complex legal procedures and deadlines, communicate with insurance companies on your behalf, gather additional evidence, and conduct investigations. Filing a complaint. If negotiations with the insurance company are unsuccessful, your attorney will file a formal lawsuit with the appropriate court. This document, called a complaint, outlines the facts of the accident, asserts the other driver's negligence, and specifies the damages you are seeking. Discovery. This is a fact-finding phase where both sides exchange information. Common discovery methods include interrogatories, written questions that the opposing party must answer under oath. Requests for production of documents, demanding the opposing party to provide relevant documents. Depositions, oral examinations of parties and witnesses under oath, recorded by a court reporter. Independent medical examinations, IMEs. The defendant's insurance company may request you to be examined by their chosen medical professional. Negotiation and mediation. Throughout the litigation process, there will likely be attempts to settle the case outside of court. Mediation involves a neutral third party who facilitates discussions between the parties to reach a mutually agreeable resolution. Trial. If a settlement cannot be reached, the case will proceed to trial. At trial, both sides present their evidence and arguments to a judge or jury who will ultimately decide the outcome of the case. A tip for success. A crucial tip for increasing your chances of a successful outcome is to seek medical attention promptly after the accident. Not only is this vital for your health, but it also establishes a clear link between the accident and your injuries, which is critical evidence in your lawsuit. Delaying medical care can give the opposing side grounds to argue that your injuries were not caused by the accident or are less severe than claimed.